Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can use the camera tracking feature on CapCut. So select new project and select your video, then select add. You're then going to select your video here, and you're going to select camera tracking, and you can either select AI movement or camera tracking, but I'm just going to select camera tracking right now. Because there's no face, you can try something else like the body or like the hand. I'm just going to do the body for mine because his face is covered. And yes, once the video moves, it does make it have like extra space down there, but you can just easily adjust that later on. And yes, this is a pro feature, but you can do this manually. Maybe I'll make that video in the future. But yeah, once it's done, you can adjust the rotation. I'm just going to select fit to canvas, and you can also select keep body size and press the check mark button. And as you can see, it moves with his body. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.